Hello everyone, Jim Castor here, KF4LYE. Welcome back to my lair. Today we're going to be upgrading the memory in the Cyber Monday laptop by Dell. Memory that I did not get from Dell, but I went on their website and the only upgrade that they showed was the 3200 speed. So I bought a 16 gigabyte 3200 kit. And without further ado, let's get into the upgrade. And while we're in this, look around, see what else we can do. On these last two are supposed to be captive, so they won't come out. The manual that Dell has online says to use a stylus or spudger to pop this loose. And then the back should come off. As you can tell, here's where the memory goes. Right here. And the M2 slot We've got a slot over here for a SSD hard drive, and looks like we got most of the hardware to install one. But today's video is about memory. So the first thing to do is disconnect this battery. Let me get back with you. All right, one thing that the manual talks about in there is a field service anti-static kit. I do have one, so I guess we might as well use it. Alright, this is a different connector than what I saw on the other video, so it was a little bit difficult to get out. One thing it does say though, after you disconnect the battery, you just press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. According to the manual, this is to dissipate a flea charge. I'm thinking what they're talking about is what they're calling a residual charge. Either way, I guess I'd better go find a flea collar just in case. Okay, now that we've got that, we're ready to add some memory. This memory, they didn't need to put the rest of this stuff in there. Okay. And that's it. It's not powering up. So we'll have to figure out what's going on here. Alright, I had to unplug the power and plug it back in, and now it's finally going into BIOS. Let's see if that's... No, it's not going to be. Alright, it finally booted up. I guess it was noticed that we made it change and it didn't want to act right. So went into BIOS, it saw the memory, and now we've got the video from the laptop. Things I wanted to note. Let me see. Task Manager. And go into memory. It's saying we've got, let me see, 9.8 available and 5, so that's 16 gigabytes. But the speed is still 2667. It's set at 3200. So this motherboard is a slower motherboard than what this CPU is supposed to be able to handle. Everything else is the same on this, looks like. Well, it just has more resources available. Next upgrading to this is going to be the hard drive. I already have that available, or have that, so that shouldn't be any problem. But I will be using this ESD mat. Come on. Got too many mice here. That way I don't have to worry about, well, destroying the laptop needlessly. So until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. One thing I forgot to note, system and about, we're still on 22H2, so Microsoft is holding back their updates. I've received a major update. When was it? Let me see. Quality updates on 12th, cumulative update, which was 5 days ago. It still gets the definition updates. Those it gets whenever it's on and update. So the cumulative updates, they're holding back. Till next time.